Lahore, February 23. Pakistan all-rounder Mohammad Nawaz has been ruled out of the upcoming three-match test series against Australia due to a foot injury. However, the hosts have not sought a replacement for Nawaz, the Pakistan Cricket Board, PCB, confirmed on Wednesday. Pakistan have also added Naseem and Sarfaraz Ahmed to the travelling reserves list, albeit they'll be considered for selection only in case of an injury. On the other hand, Mohammad Haris, Kamran Ghulam, Mohammad Abbas and Yasir, also on the reserves list, have been advised by the board to participate in the Pakistan Cup, commencing on March 2. The PCB also said that the test specialists, who attended a training camp in Karachi, and those not involved in PSL 2022 playoffs will arrive in Islamabad on Wednesday. Their first training session will be on Sunday, after the squad undergoes a 3-day hotel isolation. The test players involved in the PSL will travel to Islamabad in a bubble on Monday and commence training the following day. Australia are touring Pakistan after 1998 and the series gets underway with the first test in Rawalpindi from March 4. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.